Now there is one important note point I want to mention before we move on. That is, we have seen FSI. The formula for FSI is equal to FL plus IF, or if you plug the value of FL, that is FS plus IF, FSI comes out to be FS plus 2IF. This is when FL is greater than FS, which we generally keep in receiver side. Okay, the local oscillator frequency will be greater than station frequency. But if the value of FS is greater than FL, then you don't follow this formula. Okay, then FSI will be equal to FL minus IF, and in that case FL will be defined as FS minus IF, and in total what you will get, FSI is equal to FS minus 2IF. So this is when FS is greater than FL, station frequency is greater than local frequency, which we generally don't keep, but sometimes in numericals it is used. That is why I am mentioning here. Okay, mostly you wanna use this formula, but sometimes you will use this. So just check whether the station frequency is higher or whether the local oscillator frequency is higher, and then apply these formulas. Okay, because this FSI calculation will affect your image rejection ratio as well. Okay, let's take an example. So it is given a receiver is tuned to 1200 kilohertz station. IF is given as, intermediate frequency is given as 455 kilohertz. You have to find the value of FL and FSI. Okay, now let's look at the solution. FS is given as 1200 kilohertz, IF is given as 455 kilohertz. So we know FL is equal to FS plus IF. So we get FS is equal to 1200 kilohertz plus 455 kilohertz, that comes out to be 1655 kilohertz. Okay, and FSI you can calculate as FS plus 2FI. If you plug FS is equal to 1200 kilohertz plus 2 into 455 kilohertz, you will get 2110 kilohertz. These are the answers. Okay, let's take another example. A receiver is tuned to 555 kilohertz. Your this is FL is given as 1010 kilohertz. Now what will be the IF and FSI? First you have to calculate, then you have to calculate IRR with Q is equal to 50. Okay, let's look at the solution. So FS is equal to 555 kilohertz it is given, and FL is equal to 1010 kilohertz is given. So IF can be calculated as the difference of these two, FL minus FS, that is 1010 minus 555. So you will get 455 kilohertz. Now FSI can be calculated as FS plus 2FI. FS is 555, 2 into IF is 455, which comes out to be 1465 kilohertz. Now to calculate IRR, you need rho. Rho is FSI divided by FS minus FS divided by FSI. FSI is 1465 divided by 555 minus 555 divided by 1465. That comes out to be 2.27. If you calculate the image rejection ratio, that is alpha equal to under root 1 plus rho square Q square. Rho is 2.27 square and Q is 50 square. Then under root, you will get 113. Answer. This is answer, this is answer, and this will be your answer. Okay. Let's see next example. So a receiver is tuned to 1 megahertz station. IF is given as 455 kilohertz. Q is 100. You have to find IRR, and second you have to find IRR when receiver is tuned to 25 megahertz station instead of 1 megahertz station. Now let's look at the solution. Since in the first case FS is given as 1 megahertz, so FSI we can calculate as FS plus 2 IF. FS is 1 megahertz, IF is 455 kilohertz. You put the values, you will get 1910 kilohertz. Now rho is needed for IRR, so rho will be 1910 kilohertz divided by 1000 kilohertz, since it is 1000 kilohertz, minus 1000 divided by 1910, which comes out to be 1.38. So alpha will be under root 1 plus rho square Q square. Q is 100, rho is 1.38. You will get 138 almost. Okay. Now in the second case, when RX is tuned to 25 MHz, FS will be 25 MHz, FSI will be 25 plus 2 into 455, which will come out to be 25.91 MHz. Rho can be calculated as 25.91 divided by 25 minus 25 divided by 25.91, which comes out to be 0.07. If you plug the values in alpha, under root 1 plus rho square q square, you will get 7 as alpha. So you can compare. Here the image rejection ratio is very less, 7. Here it is very high, 138. So this is a good tuned receiver, and it can reject the image frequency properly, but this guy needs help, and the rejection ratio should be increased. So this receiver is not good. Okay, so the modification has to be done in the receiving section of this super heterodyne receiver, so that you will get at the end alpha, which is quite significant, which should be usable. But here you cannot use this one, but you can use this one. That is what you can learn from this example. Again, I want to mention the standards of AM and FM now properly. So here for FM, FS will be in the range of 550 kHz to 1650 kHz. IF will be 455 kHz and bandwidth will be 10 kHz. For FM, FS is 88 MHz to 108 MHz. IF is 10.7 MHz and bandwidth is 200 kHz. Okay, so specifically I am defining this. It has been defined, means the standards by FCC. So AM and FM. Okay.